Hi, this is Atakan from Anerka. Today I will show you our latest CNC control. So basically, you can use the machine manually, also in C mode, so TGen record, and also CNC mode. So CNC can be able to calculate the program. So if I go to programs, we have a shape library here, basically round, polycentric, oval, rectangle, oval parallel side, and open shapes here. So let's do a normal, the round. So the first thing is I will enter the thickness, let's say 6 millimeter, and width is 1000. And we have a database on CNC machines, so I will select my steel, and K factor is one is the center line, and I will keep 100% pinching, which is material thickness, and I select cyclic type, so one pass rolling, confirm. So machine asking me the outside diameter, so let's say 400 radius actually, and calculate machine calculate the material length. When I hit the calculate, the database find the corrections and create the band program. So you can see the all steps here: pre-bending, rolling, okay, and also you can see the all numbers for each axis position. So first step is reference position, and step 2 is pause step for waiting the material loading, and step 3 is pinching, so 6 millimeter plate we have, and bottom roll goes to 6 millimeter. And then machine calculate the turn back position for end of the plate, which is 212 millimeter for this particular program. And this is the pre-bending position, step 5, and I can able to edit programs in edit mode. So when I run the program, I jump to automatic, and I will start the hydraulic pump. And when I start the CNC, it goes automatically positions on each steps. So this is reference position for us. And now step 2, program paused because waiting the confirmation of that material is loaded into the machine and square it to you see the right roll for now is a reference position, and you can align the material that perfectly square the rolls. When I load the material, I hit the start again, and machine run the programs step by step. Rolls turning back for pre-bending position. Pre-bending roll goes up. Rolls rotating the other side for creating the pre-bending. Rolling start. Rolls rotating and creating the program the brackets open this off, and then I will take out the material. So when I start the program again, it's the bracket gonna be closed automatically, and roll is going to be reference position again. Very simple.
Check.
It's very simple, and it's fast.